What if you could bring distant worlds closer with crystal clear precision? In 2026, binoculars are more powerful, stable, and immersive than ever. From advanced image stabilization to Ultra HD optics, these top picks redefine outdoor viewing. Here are the top 5 best binoculars that deliver unmatched clarity, performance, and reliability for every adventure. Number 5. Canon 10x42L is WP. The Canon 10x42L is WP stands out as one of the most advanced binoculars available in 2026, combining premium optics with cutting-edge image stabilization technology. Designed for serious enthusiasts and professionals, these binoculars feature Canon's renowned L-series glass, delivering exceptional clarity, color accuracy, and contrast even in challenging lighting conditions. The 10x magnification paired with a 42mm objective lens offers a perfect balance between zoom power and brightness, making it ideal for birdwatching, wildlife observation, and outdoor exploration. What truly sets this model apart is its built-in image stabilization (IS) system, which significantly reduces handshake, allowing for a steady and comfortable viewing experience without the need for a tripod. This is especially useful during long observation sessions or when tracking moving subjects. The waterproof WP and fog-proof construction ensures durability in all weather conditions, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. Ergonomically designed, the Canon 10x42L is WP features a comfortable grip and intuitive controls, allowing users to easily activate stabilization with a simple press. While it is slightly heavier than standard binoculars due to the stabilization system, the performance benefits far outweigh the added weight. Overall, this model is perfect for users who demand precision, stability, and top-tier optical performance in one powerful package. Number 4. Vortex Viper HD 8x42. The Vortex Viper HD 8x42 is a premium mid-range binocular that delivers exceptional optical performance, durability, and comfort for outdoor enthusiasts. Built with high-density, HD, extra-low dispersion glass, this model provides sharp images, vibrant colors, and reduced chromatic aberration, ensuring a clear and immersive viewing experience. The 8x magnification offers a wider field of view compared to higher magnification models, making it ideal for tracking fast-moving subjects like birds or wildlife. Its 42mm objective lenses allow for excellent light transmission, ensuring bright and detailed images even during dawn or dusk. The fully multi-coated lenses and dielectric prism coatings further enhance brightness and clarity, making this binocular a reliable choice in various lighting conditions. The Viper HD is also built tough, featuring a rubber-armored body that provides a secure grip and protects against impacts. Designed for comfort, the binocular is lightweight and well-balanced, making it easy to carry during long hikes or extended observation sessions. The adjustable eye cups and smooth focus wheel add to its user-friendly design, accommodating users with or without glasses. Additionally, it is waterproof and fog-proof, ensuring consistent performance in harsh environments. Overall, the Vortex Viper HD 8x42 offers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and value, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for high-quality optics without stepping into the ultra-premium price range. Number 3. Nikon Monarch M710x42. The Nikon Monarch M710x42 is a versatile and high-performance binocular designed for nature lovers, birdwatchers, and outdoor adventurers. Known for its exceptional optical quality, this model features ED extra-low dispersion glass that minimizes color fringing and delivers crisp, true-to-life images. The 10x magnification provides a powerful zoom, allowing users to observe distant subjects in fine detail, while the 42mm objective lenses ensure bright and clear visuals even in low-light conditions. One of the standout features of the Monarch M7 is its wide field of view, which makes it easier to locate and track moving subjects. This is particularly useful for birdwatching or scanning large landscapes. The binocular also features a dielectric high-reflective multi-layer prism coating, enhancing brightness and color reproduction for a more vivid viewing experience. Comfort and usability are key strengths of this model. It is lightweight, ergonomically designed, and features a durable rubber-armored body for a secure grip. The locking diopter adjustment ensures that your settings remain consistent, while the smooth central focus wheel allows for quick and precise adjustments. Additionally, the Monarch M7 is waterproof and fog-proof, making it reliable in various weather conditions. Whether you're exploring forests, mountains, or open fields, this binocular delivers consistent performance. Overall, it offers a perfect blend of power, clarity, and convenience, making it one of the best all-around binoculars in its class. Number 2. Fujifilm Techno Stabi TSL 2040. The Fujifilm Techno Stabi TSL 2040 is a powerhouse binocular designed for users who need extreme magnification combined with advanced stabilization technology. Featuring an impressive 20x magnification and 40mm objective lenses, this model allows you to observe distant subjects with incredible detail, making it ideal for marine use, surveillance, and long-range viewing. What truly defines this binocular is its advanced electronic image stabilization system, which effectively reduces vibrations and hand movement. Even at such high magnification, the stabilized image remains steady and clear, providing a viewing experience that would otherwise require a tripod. This makes it particularly useful in dynamic environments, such as boats or moving vehicles. Optically, the TSL 2040 delivers bright and sharp images, thanks to its high-quality lens construction and coatings. The binocular is also built for durability, featuring a rugged and water-resistant design that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Its floating design ensures it won't sink if dropped in water, adding an extra layer of practicality for marine users. Despite its powerful capabilities, the binocular is designed with user comfort in mind. The ergonomic grip and intuitive controls make it easy to operate, even during extended use. While it is heavier than standard binoculars, the stabilization feature significantly reduces user fatigue. Overall, the Fujifilm Techno Stabi TSL 2040 is a top-tier choice for those who demand maximum zoom with steady, reliable performance. Number 1. Vortex Diamondback HD10x50. The Vortex Diamondback HD10x50 earns its top spot as one of the best value-for-performance binoculars in 2026, offering impressive optics, rugged durability, and excellent versatility. Equipped with HD optical elements, this model delivers sharp resolution, enhanced color fidelity, and reduced distortion across the entire field of view. The 10x magnification provides strong zoom capability, while the larger 50mm objective lenses allow more light to enter, resulting in brighter images, especially in low-light conditions like dawn or dusk. This makes the Diamondback HD10x50 particularly suitable for hunting, wildlife observation, and stargazing. The fully multi-coated lenses and dielectric coatings further improve light transmission, ensuring clear and vivid visuals in a variety of environments. Durability is another key strength of this binocular. Its rugged, rubber-armored exterior provides a secure grip and protects against impacts, while its waterproof and fog-proof construction ensures reliable performance in all weather conditions. Whether you're hiking through rough terrain or observing in humid environments, this binocular is built to last. Comfort is also well addressed, with adjustable eye cups and a smooth focus wheel that allow for easy customization and precise focusing. Despite its larger lens size, it remains relatively manageable for extended use. Overall, the Vortex Diamondback HD10x50 offers outstanding performance at an accessible price point, making it a top choice for both beginners and experienced users looking for powerful, reliable binoculars.